Good morning. So my name is Shekhar Reddy, Senior IIT JEE and NEET faculty. So today we are going to discuss about the electric field strength due to a charged arc. Electric field strength due to a charged arc. So now consider a charged arc of radius or angle subtended at the center is phi. Angle subtended at the center is phi. Our aim is to find now intensity of electric field at this point C. Now draw the bisector angle. Like this is bisector line. So here charge is distributed throughout the length. Length means your arc length. AB is arc length. So what is the arc? Some part of the circle is known as arc. Here AB is equal to arc. So charge is distributed throughout the conductor. That means arc length. The charge is read by Q. Length of the arc is L. Length of the arc is L. So here charge is distributed along the length. Here arc AB is taken as the length. That means linear charge density lambda is equal to, we know that, charge per unit length. Charge per unit length. Length of the arc is L. Where L is equal or theta. Theta means phi. So that means here lambda is equal Q by R phi. So linear charge density for total arc AB is equal total charge by total length of arc. So here L is equal to R phi. What is the reason? Angle, we know that was simply in mathematical form. Theta is equal R by radius. R by radius. So this is lambda is equal total charge by total length. Total length is taken as arc length. Now consider elemental arc with angular width d theta. Elemental arc, angular width d theta. Now consider a elemental arc. Elemental arc is taken as dl. Now consider a elemental arc length dl with angular width d theta. Angle makes with theta from the bisector. Like this is bisector from the bisector. Once again, now consider a elemental arc length dl with angular width d theta from angle theta by the bisector. Like this is bisector. So now here charge on elemental arc led by dq. Charge on the elemental arc then dl is equal dq. So here charge density, linear charge density, lambda for elemental or dl is total charge on elemental or dq by dl, where dl is equal to what is radius into angle or d theta. So that means lambda is equal dq by dl is equal to how much or d theta. dl is equal or d theta. From this equation, charge on elemental or dq is equal to how much? Lambda or d theta. Lambda or d theta. So our requirement, so intensity of elemental charge, dq. So here dq considered as point charge. dq considered as point charge. We know that point charge, like here one of the point charge, our aiming to find the intensity x distance E is equal to k q by x square. Here point charge means dq. So now E at center C is E at center C is due to dq. dq dq is d. d is equal k. Here what is the charge dq? By distance mean radius or square. Radius or square. So here dg direction here. The bisector line extended downward direction. So here dg is resolving two components. Your angle, these are similar angles along horizontal direction or perpendicular to the bisector. d sin theta along bisector d cos theta. d cos theta. d sin theta perpendicular to the bisector line. d cos theta parallel to the bisector. By symmetry, now consider one element here. Due to this element, the direction of DE here, the DE also resolving two component, one component perpendicular to the bisector, one component along the bisector. So here side components DE sin theta, DE sin theta get cancelled due to the symmetry. Only total field gives the DE cos theta. So DE sin theta will cancel due to symmetry. Total field at point C is given by only cos component. Cos component. Here total field purpose. Total field means easy. EC is equal to integration of dE cos theta, integration of dE cos theta. Here, what is the dA? dE is equal K dQ by R square integration K from this equation dQ is equal to lambda or d theta. Lambda or d theta by R square into cos theta. Here limits. So here this is dividing minus pi by 2. This side, sorry, this side minus pi by 2. Here plus pi by 2. So this is lower limit, this is upper limit. Pi by 2. Now EC is equal to K constant, lambda constant. Here R square cancel. Remaining K constant, lambda constant. Here radius, that means distance, that is also constant. Integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos theta d theta. Cos theta d theta. So integration of cos theta is equal sin theta here limits plus pi by 2 upper limit minus pi by 2 lower limit. This is equal K lambda by R. Now upper limit substituting sin pi by 2 minus sin of minus pi by 2. So here sin minus theta minus sin theta. So here sin minus pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 are already minus or minus plus is there. So therefore EC is equal 2K lambda by R sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. This is total electric field at the center of the charge arc. 2K lambda by R sin pi by 2. This is one form. Special cases. For quarter arc. For quarter arc. Is equal quarter arc. Quarter arc means like this is quarter arc. The angle theta is equal to 1. Here pi is equal pi by 2 90 degrees. So pi by 2 means 90 degrees. So now substituting here 90 by 2 45 sin 45 value. Sin 45 value 2K lambda by R sin 45 value of 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sin 45 here theta is equal and the pi is equal pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So 90 degrees substituting here. 90 by 2, 45, sin 45 value of 1 by root 2. This is multiplying and dividing with root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. So therefore EC is equal root 2 K lambda by R. Root 2 K lambda by R. root 2k lambda by r. Next, second one, EC for semicircular arc. We are interested in electricity here. Here pi is equal 180 degrees. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. 180 by 2. Okay, 2. That means sin 90. Sin 90 value how much? 1. Therefore, EC is equal to this point. EC is equal 2k lambda by or 2k lambda by r. 2k lambda by r. EC for charge circle. Let's see. Like this is C. So here theta is equal to 2 pi degrees. 2 pi mean 360 degrees. 360 by 2, 180. Sin 180 value how much? Sin 180 value how much? 0. Therefore, EC is equal. EC is equal to 0. Or suppose if you are consider one element here, one element here. So this direction here, this direction here. One element here, one element here. Due to symmetry. So each and every element to produce the opposite electric field. Due to opposite electric field, this is cancelled. Or according to this formula also, this is. So like this is EC is equal to the general formula here, how much? EC is equal 2k lambda by r sin pi by 2. So finally, you should remember key points. Remember, so intensity of electric field at the center of the charge dot EC is equal to how much? 2k lambda by r sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. So, but here lambda is equal to how much? Lambda is equal. So this is total lambda. Lambda is equal now substituting here. Lambda is equal total arc purpose. Total arc for lambda is equal how much here? EC is equal. So this way substituting. To k value 1 by 4 by epsilon naught lambda q by here r already is there r square sin pi by 2 pi. So this is also one formula in terms of charge. Sin pi by 2. So here EC due to the charge dot at center EC is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 by epsilon naught q by r square sin pi by 2 pi. Sin pi by 2 pi. Or in terms of lambda 2k lambda by or sin pi by 2. Here k is equal to this value. Lambda is equal to this value. Okay, this is intensity of electric field at the center of the arc. Thank you. So this is used for IIT JEE, NET and MCET problem solving purpose.